In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out a document using Docusign efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. Docusign is a widely trusted platform for electronic signatures and smart agreement management, making it an essential tool for businesses and individuals alike. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on Login will take you to the login page. Here, enter your credentials, your username and password to access your Docusign account. If you're new to Docusign, you might first need to set up an account by following the straightforward registration process. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard, a central hub for all your Docusign activities. Next, you'll want to head over to the Agreements option. You can find it on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Agreements will display a list of all ongoing agreements that you manage or are a part of. This section helps keep your digital paperwork organized, making it easy to locate any document you need. Now let's move on to the inbox. Click on Inbox under the Agreements section. This is where all the documents sent to you for signing will be waiting. Think of it as your digital mailbox for agreements. Carefully scour through the list to find the document you intend to work on. When you locate the right one, simply select it. This will open up the document and you can quickly scan through it to ensure it's the right one and understand its contents. Once you've opened the document, you should see the option to sign. This is typically marked clearly with a sign button or label. Clicking on sign will guide you through placing your electronic signature on the document precisely where it's required. Docusign makes this process intuitive by highlighting signature fields and other areas you might need to fill. As you proceed, pay attention to any specific prompts or directions within the document. Docusign sometimes requires initials or additional information, so ensure you thoroughly review it to avoid missing any crucial areas. And there you have it, your document is now filled out and signed, ready to be sent back or stored. Always remember to double check everything before hitting the submit button to ensure all is in order. By following these steps, you've efficiently utilized Docusign's robust tools to complete your digital signing task. With practice, you'll find working with Docusign becomes second nature, simplifying your document management tasks significantly. Thank you for tuning in, and now you're ready to handle digital agreements with ease.